Hello, welcome to SR Academy. In today's video, we'll be learning about the coordinate geometry. So, this video is for the 10th class or even 9th class people as the coordinate geometry introduction. Okay, so they can also listen. So, I will just start. So, we'll start with the scientists who have discovered this coordinate geometry. So, coordinate geometry, so the name is given by Rene Descartes. Okay, so Rene Descartes. So actually, in the US accent and Indian accent, in Indian accent they used to call it as in Rene Descartes. Okay, it is. So they have spelled this one name as a Rene Descartes. అంటే మన వాళ్ళు ఏమంటే రెనీ డెస్కార్టెస్ అని పిలుస్తారు, బట్ యాక్చువల్లీ నేమ్ వాజ్ రెనే డెకార్టస్. ఓకే, Descartes is the name of the French mathematician. So in the 1937, in his book, the name of the book is La Geometrie. Okay, he had discovered this. He has introduced this coordinate geometry system. Okay, this coordinate geometry system, it is also known as Cartesian geometry. The Cartesian, this cart word again came from the name of Rene Descartes. Okay, this Rene Descartes last names unnaya, the name was taken from here. Actually, what is the meaning of coordinate? So what he did, the method of studying of geometry, he has mixed up geometry and coordinate system. So you may have aware of coordinate system. See, you may have seen in the graph. So this horizontal and vertical lines, okay, both are perpendicular. This geometry part and coordinated system. What is geometry part? You can say some distance, some square diploma. Okay, we are going to draw some figures. These figures and the coordinate systems both are mix of the method of studying of geometry using a coordinate system. So they have named as a coordinated geometry. There was a story behind it. Okay, actually we will be learning about the Rene Descartes, how he got his idea. So actually he was feel ill. So while taking a rest on in bed, so he found a fly which is flying over the roof of his house, you can say. So there was some tiles which are filled on the roof, which are in the shape of square. అంటే అక్కడ కొన్ని టైల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అవన్నీ ఏమో స్క్వేర్ షేప్స్లో ఉన్నాయి. సో what he find, a fly is flying from one point to other point. So he is easy in a straight direction. He is easily able to find out the distance. Suppose if I explain the same thing with the help of the, so this is a graph, you can say this is the coordinate system. Okay, so we'll assume that this is the roof of the Rene Descartes. So if flying is here, as we know the distance between the square will be same. So when a fly from this point to this point, we can easily find the distance, how much the distance it travel by the fly. So 1 2 3 4 5 centimeter. So from this idea he discovered this coordinate geometry. Okay, so ఈ ఐడియాతో coordinate geometry discover చేసిండు. So what you will be learning in this unit is, so you have in some if I talk about the uses, what is the uses of this coordinate geometry in real life. See, now whenever you are going to find, you are going to from any point, suppose you are going from point A to point B, or you can take a real life example. Suppose if you want to find a distance from your house to your school. So if you open the Google Maps, system, so if you locate the source and destination, so Google Maps will be calculating the distance between the both the points within a seconds. Okay, how it's possible? So this is possible due to the coordinate geometry. See, all the objects which are present in the space, that can be also find with the help of a coordinate system. You can say, so when you go on, when you see any site map of Conley, or you can say any park, so there they will be mentioning, okay, at this position we have some swimming pool, and this is some playing club house. Okay, they will be mentioning. So this is a thing which also use coordinate geometry. So if I take the world map or the India map, okay, so in the world map you will be finding the longitudes and longitudes and latitudes. Okay, latitudes and longitudes. So if you want to find the position of the particular country or the place, so we will be taking the help of longitudes and latitudes. Okay, this is also that comes from coordinate geometry. Not only this, the system of aeroplane. Okay, to find the position of the aeroplane when it is flying, so there also they use coordinate geometry. Okay, so we'll talk now. I will be explaining the thing, so which is there from your textbook. So in your textbook, so they have given the introduction related to this lines, this horizontal line which is x-axis, vertical line which is y-axis. So they have mentioned this axis, this is positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis, x dash, this is negative y-axis, this is positive y-axis. They have divided this 4 coordinates. This is coordinate 1, coordinate 2, coordinate 3, coordinate 4. In coordinate 1, x and y both the values will be positive. In coordinate 2, x value will be negative, y value will be positive. In coordinate 3, x and y both the values will be negative. In fourth coordinate, x value will be positive, y value will be negative. Okay, so this is a thing, so they have explained. So and also next you have to find the distance. Okay, so in this chapter you have in formula is nothing but distance between the 2 points. So as we can see that you can plot the points in this coordinate system. So here we have in first thing is the distance between the 2 points. We have in first formula is distance between 2 points. So this, suppose if you want to find the distance between 2 points, if I take a point, suppose if I take a point, this is something 3 comma 3 and 2 comma 2. So if you want to find the distance, so if I take the help of a graph, suppose this is my where is a 3 comma 3. Okay, so this is the point 3 comma 3 and this is a point 2 comma 2. So if you want to find the distance between these two, so we will be taking the help of scale and measuring the distance. Okay, this is around 1.5. The same thing can be done with the help of points, or you can say coordinates. So here we have a formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is a formula to calculate the distance, but before that you should know what are the coordinates. Okay, so actually we denote a point. Whenever you denote any point on a plane, so we will be denoting a point on a plane with x comma y. So where x is nothing but x coordinate, this is y coordinate, x coordinate, y coordinate. So x coordinate, the x value is known as abscissa. Okay, this is known as abscissa, CISSA, and this y value is known as ordinate. Okay, you remember whenever you are plotting a point, or whenever you want to, when we denote a point on a plane, the point will be the point which is plotted or denoted on a plane with a x y, where x stands for x coordinate, y for y. X is also known as abscissa and y is known as ordinate. Okay, and the intersection of this x and y axis is 0 comma 0 is known as origin. Okay, so now we are talking about the distance between 2 points. The distance between 2 points, suppose here just I told you can find the distance between 2 points like 3 comma 3 and 2 comma 2. So just now I have find the distance between these two is 1.5 centimeter. So this you can say this one as an x1, the y1, this is x2, y2. So I am just taking the same coordinate 3 comma 3 and 2 comma 2. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, y2. Now I am substituting this formula, we will find the distance. So what is x2 minus x1? 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 whole square. Again we have 2 minus 3. Again here we have a 2 minus 3 whole square. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1 whole square. Here also we have minus 1 whole square. So minus 1 whole square is 1 plus 1. So we got root 2. Root 2 is value 1.414. So it is, you can say, approximate around equal to 1.5. So we can find the distance between the 2 points with the help of this coordinate system. Okay, so in this video I have explained the introduction and the history of Rene Descartes. Okay, so how he found the coordinate geometry and why it is also known as Cartesian geometry. So Cartesian geometry, it is taken the name of Descartes. Okay, Descartes. So it is discovered in the 1937 in the book La Geometrie. So I am just solving some other question. You have to find the distance between the points. Suppose we are taking, he is asking to find the distance between 2 points 4, 3 and 8, 6. So we will be using this formula. The formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So we will take this first coordinate x1 y1, this one as an x2 y2. So now we will be substituting the values. So x2 value is 8, you have minus x1 value is 4 whole square. Next y2 value is 6 minus 3 whole square. So if you substitute, so 8 minus 4 is 4, so 4 square, 6 minus 3 is 3 square, so 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, so you'll get root 25, root 25 is 5. Okay, so 5 units is the distance between these 2 points. So if I apply the same formula for some other points, so if I take some other points like 2 comma minus 3 and minus 3 comma 4, so this is x1 y1 x2 y2. So now we will be substituting in this distance formula. So minus 3 minus 2 whole square, so y2 value is 4 minus of minus 3 whole square. Okay, see x2 minus x1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square plus y2 value is 4 minus of minus 3. So when the signs are same, we have to add. So we'll get minus 5 whole square. So here 4 minus into minus will become plus 3 whole square. So minus 5 whole square is 25. 4 plus is 7. 7 square is 49. So if you add 9 plus 4, 5 is 14. Carry 1, 5, 7. So you'll get the root 74. If you want to write the value, you can also write the value of, okay, which are the perfect square, or else you can leave it this one. Okay, this is the answer, or you can say the distance between these 2 points. So in your textbook you may have some exercise or some example problems to find the distance between 2 points. Okay, you try to find the distance between the 2 points with the help of this formula. So in next video I will be explaining you the different topics of the coordinate geometry. Okay, so keep watching. Thank you, have a nice day. Okay, and video subscribe చేయండి, like చేయండి, share చేయండి. Okay.